Hello friends, welcome to the channel Simple Investor. So today we'll be discussing on NBCC. So this is basically an analysis request query from one of our members. So let's move on to the analysis of this. Okay, so talking about the analysis from the charts that we have seen from the monthly chart, first of all, that this stock has initially moved very nicely towards the uptrend. Then we have seen the correction and thoda sa fir isme up move aayi hai, and then again we are seeing some kind of consolidation or some kind of a little correction from here. When we talk about the values, we have taken this as the bottom around 2020 का जो low था, and the top value is around 2021 the high which has been made, and based on that we have made some Fibonacci supports and the resistance, and then we can see that approximately you may see that around 38.2% line is going around 35 value. So this is one of the supports markets have kind of respected here, like the market hasn't gone beyond this, but there is no guarantee that market cannot go below this. So if 35 breaks, probably you will see 28 as the next value for the supports. When we talk of the top level, because this is a consolidating market, we can see approximately 42 to 48 will be next kind of resistance for this market. Talking about the trends from the weekly chart, we can see that this stock has been like you say in some kind of an uptrend since 2020s. The markets have moved significantly till 2021 May, but after that it has been some kind of consolidation or correction mode. However, that the baseline is still intact. If the markets kind of break this value, then you see like 36 is broken, and with the decisive power, like they broke this and again the next candle goes down for the next week, then there are the chances that we may see some kind of a lower value that we have seen in the form of 28 or even lower to that. Apart from that, if the market is moving into this kind of territory, I don't think so there should be any issue into this stock. It looks okay. Whoever are invested into it, they can just wait and see whatever is happening into here. Coming on to the daily, basically you see weekly charts are actually good for the investors because it generally tends to tell the longer term trend of the stock. However, the daily charts is for, like you say, the traders, they just see like how the stock has been behaving. But there you see like on the daily chart we are seeing that this stock correction mode is that, you see, from the top mode it goes to the bottom and then it goes to the top again, it's going to the bottom. So there are the chances that market may support at this value around 36 33 somewhere, and then we may see some kind of a top, but there is no guarantee. Just have a feeling like if the market breaks this decisively again, so there may be the chance we may see the lower value that we have seen from here itself, also from the weekly chart. So overall, you see these stocks have been in the correction mode, and if the market situation, like suppose you see the Ukraine war, they just consolidates, they just moves on, so there are the chances that this stock may see some kind of a lower values. So from the chart, and in fact, like you say, Fibonacci as well as the pattern, we have seen that this stock has been like some kind of a correction mode is there, and if these values correct, then probably the lower values will be seen. Talking from the values on the moving average, we see this is the 20 duration moving average onto the monthly, so we are just near to the support, which happens to be near the 40. But like it looks like that the stock has oftenly broken those values, so we may see something here. But however, you just see the MACD line, there are the chances that this line may cross here, and we may see some lower values. But like, let's not predict anything from here. Probably this weekly chart could be like telling something better. There you see we have broken 20, 50 and the 200 duration moving average, and the stock is below it. So the weekly chart is also showing some kind of a bad trend for this stock. Like this, some you see this is kind of showing some kind of a weakness here, and this is the daily chart for this stock. There you see like here also, like we have gone into some kind of a weekend zone territory kind of thing. You see, this is the 20 duration, 200 duration and everything. This values has been trading below all these. So overall, you see there is some kind of a weakness into this stock, but still we will not say that this is kind of a breakdown or in the stock that the stock will move significantly lower. Still cannot be confirmed, but overall trend wise, if you just say take this as the strongest trend for this stock, like this value, and just have an eye on to this. If it break this, then there are the chances कि हमें lower values जो हमें यहाँ से फिबोनाची support से देखने को मिली थी वहाँ पे देखने को मिले. So let's draw a conclusion for this analysis. Just to conclude, we have seen that this stock has been in the correction. We have seen the support is around 36, and if it breaks from here, we will see around 28 इसका next support होने वाला है. अब talking about the resistance, 42 है. हो सकता है अच्छी movement आए because market has gone down. So 42 इसका next resistance होगा, and if the market breaks this with significant force, तो 48 की value हमें देखने को मिल सकती है. Existing investors तो चलो ठीक है, उन्होंने बहुत analysis के बाद इसको लिया होगा, they can hold on it. But the new investors, देखो this is not the market for small caps or the mid caps जिसमें भी घुसे. So better stick to the quality names. और मार्केट में ब्रांड्स के साथ स्टिक करो, और मे बी वी कैन अवॉइड दिस काइंड ऑफ इन्वेस्टमेंट। सो विद दिस, वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो प्लीज़ इसे लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें, और मेरी वीडियो को अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर भी करें, और किसी पर्टिकुलर स्टॉक के रिगार्डिंग आपकी क्वेरी हो तो उसे पोस्ट भी करें। विद दिस, थैंक यू वेरी मच।